Psalm chapter 120, a song of ascents. In my distress, I cried to the Lord. He answered me. Deliver my soul, Lord, from lying lips, from a deceitful tongue. What will be given to you, and what will be done more to you, you deceitful tongue? Sharp arrows of the mighty, with coals of juniper. Woe is me, that I live in Meshech, that I dwell among the tents of Kedar. My soul has had her dwelling too long with him who hates peace. I am for peace, but when I speak, they are for war. Psalm chapter 121, a song of ascents. I will lift up my eyes to the hills. Where does my help come from? My help comes from the Lord who made heaven and earth. He will not allow your foot to be moved. He who keeps you will not slumber. Behold, he who keeps Israel will neither slumber nor sleep. The Lord is your keeper. The Lord is your shade on your right hand. The sun will not harm you by day, nor the moon by night. The Lord will keep you from all evil. He will keep your soul. The Lord will keep your going out and your coming in from this time forward and forevermore. Psalm chapter 122, a song of ascents, by David. I was glad when they said to me, "Let's go to the Lord's house. Our feet are standing within your gates, Jerusalem." Jerusalem is built as a city that is compact together, where the tribes go up, even the Lord's tribes, according to an ordinance for Israel, to give thanks to the Lord's name. For there are set thrones for judgment, the thrones of David's house. Pray for the peace of Jerusalem. Those who love you will prosper. Peace be within your walls, and prosperity within your palaces. For my brothers and companions' sakes, I will now say, peace be within you. For the sake of the house of the Lord our God, I will seek your good. Psalm chapter 123, a song of ascents. I lift up my eyes to you, you who sit in the heavens. Behold, as the eyes of servants look to the hand of their master, as the eyes of a maid to the hand of her mistress, so our eyes look to the Lord, our God, until he has mercy on us. Have mercy on us, Lord. Have mercy on us, for we have endured much contempt. Our soul is exceedingly filled with the scoffing of those who are at ease, with the contempt of the proud. Psalm chapter 124, a song of ascents, by David. If it had not been the Lord who was on our side, let Israel now say, if it had not been the Lord who was on our side, when men rose up against us, then they would have swallowed us up alive, when their wrath was kindled against us. Then the waters would have overwhelmed us. The stream would have gone over our soul. Then the proud waters would have gone over our soul. Blessed be the Lord, who has not given us as a prey to their teeth. Our soul has escaped like a bird out of the fowler's snare. The snare is broken, and we have escaped. Our help is in the Lord's name, who made heaven and earth. Psalm chapter 125, a song of ascents. Those who trust in the Lord are as Mount Zion, which can't be moved but remains forever. As the mountains surround Jerusalem, so the Lord surrounds his people from this time forward and forevermore. For the scepter of wickedness won't remain over the allotment of the righteous, so that the righteous won't use their hands to do evil. Do good, Lord, to those who are good, to those who are upright in their hearts. But as for those who turn away to their crooked ways, the Lord will lead them away with the workers of iniquity. Peace be on Israel. Psalm chapter 126, a song of ascents. When the Lord brought back those who returned to Zion, we were like those who dream. Then our mouth was filled with laughter, and our tongue with singing. Then they said among the nations, The Lord has done great things for them. The Lord has done great things for us, and we are glad. Restore our fortunes again, Lord, like the streams in the Negev. Those who sow in tears will reap in joy. He who goes out weeping, carrying seed for sowing, will certainly come again with joy, carrying his sheaves. Psalm chapter 127, a song of ascents, by Solomon. Unless the Lord builds the house, they who build it labor in vain. Unless the Lord watches over the city, the watchman guards it in vain. It is vain for you to rise up early, to stay up late, eating the bread of toil, for he gives sleep to his loved ones. Behold, children are a heritage of the Lord. The fruit of the womb is his reward. As arrows in the hand of a mighty man, so are the children of youth. Happy is the man who has his quiver full of them. They won't be disappointed when they speak with their enemies in the gate. Psalm chapter 128, a song of ascents. Blessed is everyone who fears the Lord, who walks in his ways. For you will eat the labor of your hands. You will be happy, and it will be well with you. Your wife will be as a fruitful vine in the innermost parts of your house. Your children like olive shoots around your table. Behold, this is how the man who fears the Lord is blessed. May the Lord bless you out of Zion, and may you see the good of Jerusalem all the days of your life. Yes, may you see your children's children. Peace be upon Israel. Psalm chapter 129, a song of ascents. Many times they have afflicted me from my youth up. Let Israel now say, many times they have afflicted me from my youth up, yet they have not prevailed against me. The plowers plowed on my back. They made their furrows long. The Lord is righteous. He has cut apart the cords of the wicked. Let them be disappointed and turn backward, all those who hate Zion. Let them be as the grass on the housetops, which withers before it grows up, with which the reaper doesn't fill his hand, nor he who binds sheaves his bosom. Neither do those who go by say, the blessing of the Lord be on you. We bless you in the Lord's name. Psalm chapter 130, a song of ascents. Out of the depths I have cried to you, Lord. Lord, hear my voice. Let your ears be attentive to the voice of my petitions. If you, Lord, kept a record of sins, Lord, who could stand? But there is forgiveness with you, therefore you are feared. I wait for the Lord. My soul waits. I hope in his word. My soul longs for the Lord, more than watchmen long for the morning, more than watchmen for the morning. Israel, hope in the Lord, for there is loving kindness with the Lord. Abundant redemption is with him. He will redeem Israel from all their sins. Psalm chapter 131, a song of ascents, by David. Lord, my heart isn't arrogant, nor my eyes lofty, nor do I concern myself with great matters or things too wonderful for me. Surely I have stilled and quieted my soul, like a weaned child with his mother. Like a weaned child is my soul within me. Israel, hope in the Lord, from this time forward and forevermore. Psalm chapter 132, a song of ascents. Lord, remember David and all his affliction, how he swore to the Lord and vowed to the Mighty One of Jacob. Surely I will not come into the structure of my house, nor go up into my bed. I will not give sleep to my eyes, or slumber to my eyelids, until I find out a place for the Lord, a dwelling for the Mighty One of Jacob. Behold, we heard of it in Ephrathah. We found it in the field of Jaar. We will go into his dwelling place. We will worship at his footstool. Arise, Lord, into your resting place, you and the ark of your strength. Let your priests be clothed with righteousness. Let your saints shout for joy, for your servant David's sake, don't turn away the face of your Anointed One. The Lord has sworn to David in truth. He will not turn from it. I will set the fruit of your body on your throne. If your children will keep my covenant, my testimony that I will teach them, their children also will sit on your throne forevermore. For the Lord has chosen Zion. He has desired it for his habitation. This is my resting place forever. I will live here, for I have desired it. I will abundantly bless her provision. I will satisfy her poor with bread. I will also clothe her priests with salvation. Her saints will shout aloud for joy. I will make the horn of David to bud there. I have ordained a lamp for my anointed. I will clothe his enemies with shame, but on himself his crown will shine. Psalm chapter 133, a song of ascents, by David. See how good and how pleasant it is for brothers to live together in unity. It is like the precious oil on the head that ran down on the beard, even Aaron's beard, that came down on the edge of his robes, like the dew of Hermon that comes down on the hills of Zion. For there the Lord gives the blessing, even life forevermore. Psalm chapter 134, a song of ascents. Look, praise the Lord, all you servants of the Lord, who stand by night in the Lord's house. Lift up your hands in the sanctuary. Praise the Lord. May the Lord bless you from Zion, even he who made heaven and earth.